helping you operate Gerbing's Heated Clothing 12-volt power system. Step 1. Installing your battery harness. Unscrew or disconnect the battery cable and bolts on your vehicle's battery, first on the negative side, then on the positive side. Take the positive and negative end connectors of your battery harness cable and install them in reverse order, connecting the positive side first, then the negative side. After making sure both bolt screws are securely tightened, we recommend routing your battery harness cable around the left side of your vehicle. Step 2. Installing the correct fuse. Gerbing's product value chart helps simplify the fuse installation process. Check the chart to find the power value for each piece of Gerbing apparel. Combine the values of all the items in your heated clothing setup and match that number total to the fuse color chart and select the fuse color that best matches your 12-volt outfit. For example, if you have a Gerbing 12-volt heated jacket liner and 12-volt heated gloves, add those values from our item value chart together. Cross-check that with the fuse color chart and easily find the right fuse for you. Plug your selected fuse into the fuse holder on your battery harness cable and securely close the cap. Step 3. Installing your temperature controller. Gerbing offers two main types of temperature controllers, single zone and dual zone. Single temperature controllers are great for riders on a budget and give you control of your heated gear no matter how many pieces you may have, although all of your gear will have to be set at the exact same temperature. Gerbing recommends the dual temperature controller for any rider regardless of the amount of gear in their setup. This is recommended for a couple of reasons. Dual temperature controllers allow you to separately control heat on multiple garments at once and also offer you more flexibility if you decide to add additional gear to your setup in the future. You'll have the dual zone control ready to go instead of having to upgrade from your single zone temperature controller. Before attaching your portable Gerbing temperature controller to your heated gear, we recommend mounting the unit in a visible and safe location. Gerbing has various controller cases available for convenient access right at the hip. Step 4. Connecting your heated gear. Plug any additional heated gear into your jacket using our interconnected heating system. Locate the power plugs in your sleeves to attach your gloves. Locate the power plugs for your footwear at the bottom of your Gerbing 12-volt pant legs. You can attach the pants and footwear to the system using the connectors in your jacket's power pocket. Connect the additional cables from your power pocket into your temperature controller. For single zone controller setups, plug the white labeled end connector of your temperature controller into the matching white labeled end connector stored inside the power pocket of your jacket liner. For dual zone temperature controller setups, connect the same matching white labeled connectors, but use the remaining cable from your jacket's power pocket to access the dual zone heat control. Finally, connect the red power connector from your temperature controller into the matching red power connector of your battery harness. Before turning on your vehicle, make sure your heated gear is completely switched off to avoid any potential damage to the gear or your electrical system. After your engine is turned off, you can simply unplug the connectors of your jacket's power pocket from your battery harness. Then just easily plug back into your harness when you're ready for your next ride. For more help on your 12-volt heated system, visit Gerbing.com.